Well, hey everybody, guess what? We're not at Simply Garden and Homes location in southern New Hampshire. We're actually up here in central New Hampshire, and I'll tell you what, it is beautiful. I mean, this is like, just take a look at this, Linda. Look at the view. This is where my son and his wife live up here, Andrew. They got wildlife out here, bears, coyotes. You hear the coyotes howling at nighttime, right, Andrew?
Yes, we do.
And I got bobcats, deer, of course. And this is the way it's meant to be, you know. This is just beautiful. Anyways, we're gonna build today a raised bed for Amanda, so she can get a little garden going up here. We're in a different zone. We're in zone 4, where I'm in zone 5 in southern New Hampshire. So a little different climate, a little different temperature, but that's okay. So we got our son who's pro at doing this kind of stuff. He's gonna be helping us out here. Say hi, Andrew.
Hi.
And away we go. So Andrew, what size are we making here?
So we're making a 4x8 out of just regular KD, non-pressure treated. That's very important.
Good.
For the plants, for the soil. Yeah, 4x8. It's nice and portable. You can.
So we're using fasten it together.
So we're using timber lock.
Okay.
They're 2 7/8.
Right here. Beautiful. Look at that, huh? So you can
Just put 2 in each corner.
So you can take it apart.
Right.
And take it with
very
you.
easily.
Yeah.
Take it apart.
Get your own
And then, so it's also going to. The material for the cost of this was around $100.
Okay.
For everything. So
$100,
it's going to cost you about $100. So.
To get this going, yeah.
Yep.
But you can use it again, though.
Right.
It's like, you know, so the first year you lose, but go to the farmer's market. Go to, you know, you're talking. This is natural. I'm sure Amanda's going to do organic.
It's organic. Yeah.
You're talking just for a tomato day at a farmer's market, it's $4 a pound.
Right.
Okay. Peppers, I don't know what they go for a pound. A head of lettuce at a farmer's market, a little head of lettuce is probably like $3 today. So you add that up. First year, you made your money back already.
Yep. Absolutely.
So, plus the enjoyment of doing it.
So we'll discuss.
Let's get going.
Yeah, and then we'll discuss the material that we got for the garden afterwards,
Yep.
after we build it. So
Yep.
we'll
All
go
right.
through the process.
Let's do it. Very good.
All right. So now take that one and put it up here.
Okay.
Exactly 4 feet.
There we go.
And
Yeah. We cut the 2 pieces here in half. 4 feet by 4 feet now. So what's next, Andrew?
so we got to grab the rest of the material and bring it over here,
Okay.
where we're going to set it up and screw the box together,
Right. And make sure it's
and then
square.
make a frame for the top. So-
Okay. All right. Let's do it.
So right now we're working on the top frame for the garden bed, so that way she has something to kneel on, and it's not the edge of the 2x10s.
So it's gonna be.
So it's just like a picture frame. So we're gonna do 45s around it, put that together, and then measure off the inside of the picture frame, and then build our bed off of that. So
Okay.
with the 2x10s.
Easy
So
enough.
that's what we're gonna do.
There you go. Get this off of this.
So always have PPE, personal protection equipment, when you're working around saws, and because things can chip and splinters can come up into your face and your eyes, and also the ear protection too, because things are loud. So.
All right.
All right, so we'll make the. We'll measure the center here. 45s on each corner. Cut the 2x. So I found the center of the 2x4x8, and found the center, and then cut across the center at a 45, and then we're gonna do at the end too as well. So.
To make our picture frame.
Yep, exactly.
Ready? So what are we doing next here, Andrew?
So next we're going to be screwing in the side of the boards for the frame for the garden bed. So you just drill a couple holes I do 3, and then that way you can. The timber locks are you gotta pre-drill them before you put them in.
Right, because
so.
they're pretty hefty, as you can see. The thread's very hefty, but
They're
these are
very
nice
thick.
because you can take it apart.
And they don't rust
They
either.
don't rust. That's the key. So people are going to leave it in place. It's a good thing to use. It's going to be very, very durable.
All right, make sure it's nice and square.
Yep.
It's not very good.
It's loud.
All right,
Next
good.
over here.
Gate. That looks nice.
It does.
Look who showed up.
Hi, Papa.
Hey, Carter, you
What
gonna
are
come?
we doing here?
We're gonna move it over in this spot. We got this. Uncle Andy put all the nice screw holes in it and got the nice screws on the end. So came out pretty good, huh, Andrew?
Yeah, it looks nice and square. So.
All right, let's go ahead and put the top on. Let's show what we made for the top. So we now he went a little extra detail here. We did a picture frame. You don't have to do a picture frame. You can just square it off edges, and did countersunk screws,
Pocket screws
pocket screws,
on the corners.
or you can just do regular angle screws on the edge. That's fine too. But this will hold up better for those of you who have something like that or availability to that.
Wow.
Here we go. So what we're gonna do next,
Beautiful.
Andrew?
We're gonna square it up and screw the top down from the top
Okay.
down, and that'll be it.
Then we get some dirt, got some manure, and Antiman is
Now
ready.
as I'm countersinking the top of the heads, that way that it doesn't catch on my wife's jeans or on her shins while she's working on it if she's kneeling over it, just to get it recessed down.
So look at that. Carter, what do you think?
Nice.
Uncle Andy? Andrew?
Looks good.
Looks good. Beautiful.
Nice.
Nicely countersunk in here. A little something you actually did special. You don't drag your pants on the top of the screw heads.
I'm gonna sand
Amy?
down the whole top.
Well, Carter, we're gonna put some common over here.
What's that?
Well, that comes from the cows. They're potty. They call it manure, but it's good though. It's plants. Basically, what cows eat is they eat grass, alfalfa, corn, and we're gonna mix this in with the soil and help the animal in his garden do better. Okay?
Did you use manure?
I have used some, yes. I like to get more for my asparagus. I could use some for my asparagus, but right now we're using organic fertilizer.
Right now we need to spread it out.
Yep. Isn't that amazing? Well, look at that. A little more dirt, and
Wow.
Aunt Amanda is ready to plant some seeds.
And manure.
What do you think she should plant in here, Carter? Some spinach?
Yeah.
What else?
Peas.
Peas? How about some tomatoes?
Potato.
Tomatoes? You could do potatoes, yeah. You know, you gotta just be careful how, you got enough room in here, you can get a lot. In fact, if you plant it right, you can grow some lettuce in between the tomatoes. When the tomatoes get big, lettuce is done. It's called intercrop planting, but this has been great, Andrew. Nice work, it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
And looking
does.
forward to having some pictures of we can put out there that people know how it goes. Hey, thank you again for watching. And Carter, thank you for your help. Andrew, nice project. It came out well. And I appreciate those who watch our videos regularly. Comments are appreciated. Any questions, go ahead and put them down below and I'll ask Andrew. He can answer you back.
Yeah.
But anyways, hey, enjoy the day. It's beautiful.
And maybe we can answer some questions. Please subscribe and like and push the bell down below.
Why the bell for? More notifications when new videos come up. All right, have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.